All right, everybody, here goes round 2, decibel killer removed. See how it sounds. Not bad for the price, honestly. Paid $240 shipped from the UK after the conversion from US dollar to pounds. I think in pounds it was $140 and then an extra 40 for the conversion, $40 for shipping, so it came out to like 240-ish, something like that. But for the price, it sounds pretty good with the decibel killer uninstalled. It gives a nice, mean, low growl to it. And I think I'm gonna keep the decibel killer out. So that's my review, guys.